Strong hold. Each magnetic base comes with 12 PCS magnets. Once matching well with the flat surface, it is strongly held even on emergency braking or driving on the rugged mountain road. Anti-scratch. The magnetic bases are coated with rubber cover to protect from scratching the hood and add on a secure installation. Multiple mounting functions. You can use a single magnetic base separately to mount small LED work light, or use 2 or 3 together to mount a longer bottom-mounted LED light bar. Easier mounting. No drilling needed, just do flattest, mount the light on the bracket, and then mount the whole kit on the mounting position. For detailed mounting tips, please the 7th picture on the left. Package include 2x magnetic mounting base. Specifications. Material: magnet base plus rubber cover, color black, car model, all, fitment light, bottom mounted LED work light, mounting base diameter 3.4. Package include 2x magnetic mounting base. Top reviews from the United States. Strong magnets. Magnets are very strong and you won't have any problem with your lights moving around. Unfortunately, I couldn't use them because I have an aluminum hood and didn't know it.